How to fix KB5049622 fails to install in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Restart the PC. A simple restart can sometimes resolve issues with updates not installing by clearing temporary system glitches. The Windows Update Troubleshooter is a built-in utility that tries to find problems preventing updates from being installed and fix them automatically. It basically scans your system for common update problems and tries to solve them with as little user intervention as possible. Sometimes, corrupted update cache files can prevent updates from being installed. Clearing it can help resolve these problems. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Fix 4. Repair.NET Framework. KB5049622 is a .NET Framework update, so issues with the .NET installation can cause it to fail. Repairing the .NET Framework can fix such problems. Windows Update depends on certain services running properly to function correctly. If these services are disabled or not running, the update process can fail.